The bold glance. The world's smallest motor. 3 scientists have been awarded the 2016 Nobel Prize in Chemistry for their work in the field of nanotechnology, specifically the design of molecular machines which offer vast potential for mankind. Over the course of the last 30 years, Dr. Jean-Pierre Sauvage, Sir James Fraser Stoddart, and Bernard L. Farinha took the first steps at implementing the bold idea of manipulating matter molecule by molecule, creating the world's smallest machines in the process. Their work highlights the challenging, uncertain, and often lengthy journeys that great bold ideas must take before being implemented in our daily lives. While still relatively crude today, one day these pioneering efforts will allow people to build supercomputers invisible to the naked eye, create miniature machines that guide drugs throughout the bloodstream, and even develop so-called cyborg sperm that can aid in fertilization. And this is only the beginning. There are countless applications for this technology that we cannot yet foresee. Nanotechnology is already on its way to making bold impacts across society. With more bold actions and leadership the likes of which these men have taken, we will surely see amazing developments in the near future. For boldbusiness.com, this has been The Bold Glance.